Vastu, the living walls, live with nature. Namaskar. Welcome to Astro Vastu Remedies by the Mystical Sciences. My name is Anish. I'm a Vastu expert. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic called Geopathic Stress, which is connected with the health. Geo means earth, pathic means pain. Okay, stress, the earth suffering. Why this happens? On the earth you have a mesh kind of a layer, right, from passing from east to west and north to south. There is a lines which is passing east to west. The east to west line which is there, every line is between 2.5 meters and north to south is around 2 meters actually. So the line which is passing on from east to west and north to south, when that is disturbed, then there is a problem of geopathic stress. So why this geopathic stress happens? It happens because of lot of digging. Okay, lot of digging. When there is a digging happening, and if that line get disturbed, if the radiation gets emitted, and if you are sleeping in that zone, because the line passes from east to west and north to south. Suppose if you are sleeping on the node point, the connecting point, then the radiation, there is a lot of negative impact on your health, right? Geopathic stress. How geopathic was found? There is a German doctor, Dr. Hartmann, in 1940s. He was seeing different types of health issues where he was confused, like why these health issues were happening. And then after that he was doing a research on it, and then he found out there is a radiation coming out of the earth, and whoever stays near that radiation, they will have health issues, and different types of health issues. 90% of the people who are facing cancer related issues are connected with geopathic stress. Infertility issues, majorly the sperm counts reduces. Infertility issues also comes from the geopathic stress. Anxiety, stress, BP, sugar, all these disorders are coming from the geopathic stress radiations. In the olden days in India, if you see, you used to have Lord Shiva temples outside of the village, and it is kept because to protect from the geopathic stress negative radiation which is emitted from the earth, and due to which we were all protected, right? So this geopathic stress creates a lot of disturbances in your health. Cancer is the main cause which is connected with the geopathic stress, and this geopathic stress have different stages. Okay, you're sleeping in that place, or when you're sitting in that place in your office or in your home, it start giving negative effects. This geopathic stress also creates problem to the Vastu. In whichever zone the line passing on, and that area, whatever benefit you're supposed to get, you will not get it actually. And if you see in office space, in factories, it was noticed that wherever the geopathic stress line is passing, okay, the machinery which is there, which will not function properly, there will be some or the other repairs. Even in the home also, if you see, if any of the household items you are putting in that place, and if you have continuous repairs, then there is a chance of geopathic stress in that area, right? So you have to check this geopathic stress line, if it is there, passing from east to west or north to south. How to find out the geopathic stress line if it is there? Basic things. You cannot see that line. You have to use a dowsing tool, but otherwise also there are certain things you can find out. Termites, if you see there are termites, then there is a possibility of geopathic stress in that area. Cats love to stay in that place. Wherever there is a geopathic stress line, there cats love to stay, and bats love to stay in that place wherever there is a geopathic stress line. And you can also see some cracks in the walls because of the geopathic stress line. If these are basic things. Without using a dowsing tool, you can check this, but you have to use a dowsing tool to check where is the radiation coming from, where is the geopathic stress line coming from. You have to see this and you have to rectify. Initially what happens is, stage wise you can see the symptoms in your body, in your health. Initially it starts from the mood disorders, sleeplessness. You will not be able to sleep properly, and then actually gradually in the next stage, anxiety, sleeplessness, depression, fatigue. In the next stage, hypertension, numbness, loss of sex, migraine, headaches, anxieties, depression. Gradually, when it increases, constipation, high diabetes, high blood pressure, stomach pains, and in the final stage, when you see cancer, heart attacks, strokes, memory issues, panic attacks, infertility issues, primarily without having any problem, you will have infertility issues. So you have to monitor these things. If you are having it, then there is a possibility of geopathic stress. So if you are having a geopathic stress, what do? A simple remedy for that is you have to move your bed for 1 to 2 feet and try to see whether you are having any disturbance or not. If you're okay, then you have to rectify your house with a geopathic neutralizer, where you have to place in that zone wherever you are getting this geopathic stress line. You have to place it and you have to try to neutralize it. This is very important. Before you connect to this geopathic stress, you try to neutralize this issue and try to make yourself healthy. Okay, just try to notice all these things. Okay, geopathic stress, people are unaware of geopathic stress. Now at least try to understand all these problems which are there. People are facing lot of health issues. Okay, before it gets complicated, you try to rectify this geopathic stress and ensure that you are living a healthy life. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about few more geopathic stress radiations, how it comes, how it emits, and how you try to protect yourself. Okay, so if you have any doubt, want any support regarding the geopathic stress, you can just comment or text us or call us. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.